Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create a trajectory rib. So first of all we will create a rectangular block, and in that we will go to the command that is shell. So select the top plane, go to the option that is extrude, and now we'll create a center rectangle. We can modify the dimensions, suppose 200 by, now we'll take this as 300 and click on OK. We will take the width of the block, that is the thickness of the block, suppose around 100, and OK. Now we'll use the shell command. So select the top surface. Now it is showing us the thickness. Consider the thickness as 6 mm. Now we'll see what exactly is the trajectory rib and profile rib. So in profile rib we are drawing the exact profile, and then that profile is extruded so that we are creating a exact shape of profile. But in trajectory it automatically can take the fill up the gaps as well. So for that, first of all we will go to the option that is trajectory rib and select the top surface, click on OK. Now see, simply we will create one line and click on OK. So now we have not created a line. Now I will switch off these lines and planes so that this line which is in this green color, you will be able to see it clearly. So we have not created a line which is from end to end, and now simply click on OK. So see what will happen, a rib is created end to end. Now we can modify the property of the rib by going into this command that is shape. So add rounds on internal edges, OK. Now internal radius also we can modify. So it is 2.34, we will take it as 4. So now, see, now the internal round is there. Then thickness of the rib we can modify it, so take it as 5 mm and click on OK. So see, now the rib is created. So this type of rib, it is called as a trajectory rib. So it is taking or tracing the path that we have given. Again select the sketch, or instead of sketch directly we can go to the rib option as well. So that is trajectory rib, and select the sketch view. So we'll create 2 more lines and click on OK. So see, now the ribs are created. We can modify its dimension to, so take it as 5 mm. OK. Now if we go to this option that is edit, and in placement, so internal section, go to the option edit. So again we can see, you can see here 80.99, 73.14. so we can change this dimension. So let us consider both are at a distance of 70. So 70 on this side and 70 on the other side. Enter. OK. So thus we have placed the ribs at equal distance. Now suppose we want to create more ribs. So again we can go to the option trajectory rib select the section plane and sketch view. We will on this switch on this shading with edges and now create a line. So simply we are creating 3 lines and it will automatically trace the path, so that we will get a box which are having a smaller sections in that, and click on OK. Again its thickness we will modify it to 5. Okay. So see, we have created a tray which are having the sections in it by using the trajectory rip command. So it is that much simple. So only thing is that you need to use this trajectory rib option, and we can create a box in this way. Okay, thanks.